Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. And today I got the brand new, to me, it's an older model, but it's the FMS Zero 1400 millimeter. I'll be flying it on 4S, 3200 milliamp hour, and it should be pretty well balanced. I do have a few weights in case it is a little bit tail heavy. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, guys, this is the Maiden Flight. I'm at the Wingmasters Club in Dayton, Ohio, and they have several people here today. They're having their fun flight and tailgate swap. Let's get this thing in the air. Let's go one click on the flaps. Put the gear up, flaps up. Let's see how this pass looks. Super quiet. It's pretty close. That's nothing input there, so that's pretty straight. We are dealing with zero wind today. Let's roll to the right. Boy, this thing flies really good. I'm impressed. On just 4S, it is handling really good. Now this is just slightly smaller than the E-Flight P51, and that's why it's flying on 4S. I am flying about 3/4 throttle. Flying kind of high here. Let's do a loop. Well, I could pull that in really tight if I wanted to. Let's do a low pass again. Well, she's looking good today. We have beautiful weather today. It's in the 70s, maybe reaching 80 now, and no wind. I cannot believe how beautiful it is out here today. Let's do a kind of a wing over maneuver here. It's looking really nice today, guys.
I think it's beautiful, Don.
All right. I did dial in some flaps. It's kind of interesting how it is because it's a split flap system. I got it the way it's set up on my radio. I got it at 0 for full flaps and 50% for takeoff flaps. So I'm hoping it's pretty good. I did dial in 10% on the elevator down to help with the takeoff. Let's see the gear come down. Looks good. Put the gear back up.
Oh, you had the flaps down? Took off with full flaps. Have you tried full flap?
This is only the third flight.
Oh.
Let's do a high-speed pass. Or full speed. Let's say full speed because I don't think it's going to be fast. Little bit of a climb, so we will have to dial just a little bit of down elevator, but for the most part it's handling really good. Now I do have AS3X turned on but not safe, or I wouldn't have been able to roll it over. And AS3X is working really nice. I have the knob turned all the way up. We do have a jet I'm trying to outlast, but I think he is taking his time, so You can see it climbing just a little bit. So we'll keep it up here and we'll check on this next pass from left to right. We'll see what the full flap system looks like with geared down. That's full flaps and it's handling pretty decent at half throttle. So not bad, I like that. So we'll probably use full flaps on the landing.
Landing left to right.
All right, the jet is coming in. We'll land shortly after he clears the runway. Bring it around one more time. All right, landing left to right.
See, I couldn't get out far enough. I need to get out a little further. That was a half flap.
Took it way out there.
I added more flaps to the half flap. I needed to get out that way.
I learned my lesson trying to get him cut down 3 or 4 times. I always found something
It's getting a little squirrely at the end. We'll bring it back around and get it off the runway. And then I'll go pick it up. Oh, so for the maiden flight, it came in really nice. I can't believe how well it landed with full flaps. Typically, I'm not one that will land with the full flaps, but because of the split flap system on this, I think it handled much easier for me. You seen it flip over when I hit the grass. I've heard that trying to fly out of grass, unless it is like a putting green, this thing does not like grass. So if you got a paved runway, this might be the airplane for you. I've been watching for it for a long time, and it's on back order everywhere, but I did find it on Amazon. I'll try to have it linked in the description box. And as always, I appreciate everybody's support, and what a beautiful day. Just such a blessing from the Lord. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.